Excessive dust blowing from your vents can seriously mess with your home's air quality and comfort, but you can totally fix it with a few smart moves. Okay, so first off, you gotta clean your air ducts regularly because dust and debris build up in there over time, making everything blow dust everywhere. Changing your air filters is super important too. Do it at least every 3 months or more if you've got pets or allergies, because clogged filters just push dust right back into the air. Also, think about what's causing dust inside your house. Things like old carpets, clutter, or even certain types of furniture can shed a lot. Vacuum and dust your home often, and don't forget to clean under furniture and in less obvious spots where dust hides. Using a vacuum with a HEPA filter helps trap tiny particles instead of kicking them around. If you smoke indoors or use candles, try to cut down since they make dust worse. Consider adding some houseplants that are known to improve air quality. They absorb dust and toxins naturally. Lastly, keep windows closed when it's super windy outside to stop outside dust from coming in through the vents. One of the biggest mistakes people make with excessive dust from vents is ignoring duct cleaning for years, which lets dust pile up and blow everywhere. Getting professional duct cleaning every couple of years can fix that easily. Another common problem is using cheap or wrong-sized air filters that don't trap dust well. Switching to high-quality filters designed for your HVAC system will help a lot. A third issue is not controlling indoor dust sources, like letting pets roam freely on furniture or never dusting surfaces. Setting a weekly cleaning routine and keeping pet areas tidy will cut down dust drastically. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like duct cleaning and air filter replacement without any hassle. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients who need their services so everyone wins and homes stay fresh and comfy.